Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm working on this bad boy Rebel, and what we're doing today is taking the blades off so we can sharpen them. I don't have a lift to get under here, so what I'm doing today is using these ramps and some boards that I have to give me enough height to get me underneath. And the tools that you'll need to remove these blades are: one, the appropriate socket. In this case, this one takes a 15/16, almost an inch. Either a ratchet, a breaker bar, preferably an impact wrench, whether it be electric or if you have a pneumatic one and you use the air compressor. If you're going to go using the breaker bar or the ratchet, have a pipe as a cheater bar, because you will need it. Those are on pretty tight. Now on this one here, this is a new machine, so it should come off easy, but you'll need something underneath to block the blade. You may be able to hold on to it by hand. Make sure you have the good gloves on, or you could use a C-clamp, tighten it onto the baffles underneath so the blade can't turn, and then use whatever implement you have. If you're using the impact wrench, all you'll need is a socket and the impact wrench, and it'll come right off. And putting it back on, I'm going to use a little of this anti-seize, just a dab on the thread. These machines cut through wet grass, they sit for a long time, you get rust under there. This will make your life a lot easier when you go to take it off again. Besides this, while you're under there, check your deck out. If you have a good time to clean the deck, the machine's already up. You can reach under it, you can use a plastic scraper, knock off all the grass that's under there. If you see any rust, touch it up with a little paint and take it from there. Now, you want to keep safety in mind. The brake is on, the back wheel is chucked, and underneath here you can see we have the 3 blades. This blade's easy to get to, the middle one right here. I can get the impact there, but the problem I'm going to have is on the 2 end ones. Now, not having a lift and wanting to use the impact to get under there, I have a little bit of a dilemma. So what I'm going to do is, once I get that middle blade out, I'm going to get the middle blade out and back on. I have these, what are they, 8x8s. I have, this is the hitch that's in the back of this machine. I'm putting it in the front with the pin, I don't want this slipping out, and I'll put that safety pin also. What I'm going to do once I get that middle blade off is to lift this unit up, slide this under the hitch, lift this wheel. This one really isn't on it right now. Lift this wheel, pull these boards out, and get to the blade on this side. Once I work on this side, I'll slide the boards and the ramp back underneath. I'll come over here, lift this up. The weight will be on this setup. I will remove this ramp and the boards, get to that blade, remove it, sharpen it, put it back on, and lift it up. Move these boards out, remove the chuck in the back, roll it down, and that'll be it. This is just a quick, easy tip on how I'm going to do this without using a lift. Oh, and I will be using the jack stands under this. And that's a wrap. If you found this video useful or have any questions, let me know by posting your comments down below. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and share it with someone else who might find it useful. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Josie button at the end of the video, and remember to hit that bell icon not to miss my new videos as I upload them. And until next time, stay safe.